All right, for number 85, I would, if I was going to solve this, you can distribute the square root of 5 to both terms inside here. I would probably simplify the square root of 96 first, however. That would simplify into the square root of 16, and then the square root of 6x. Square root of 16 is 4. All right, so we're subtracting this. And then we have 2 root 6x minus 4 root 6x, and the square root of 5 on top. So I'm going to simplify here. So I get negative 2 square root of 6x. And then when I multiply, I get negative 2 root 30x. All right, and then you want to see, is there anything that goes inside of 30? Does 4? No. Does 9? No. 16? No. 25? No. So that's our answer. Okay, any other questions, please let me know.